Hello everyone, myself Kaushik, currently pursuing my studies in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Now let's explore the fascinating world of hybrid vehicles. What is hybrid vehicle? The term hybrid refers to the vehicles with two or more power sources which helps in the generation of electricity and passes the power to the wheels for propulsion. Generally, the hybrid vehicles consist of IC engine and two other power sources which helps in the movement of vehicle. In a simple way, it can also be said that any vehicle that combines two or more power sources is called as hybrid vehicle. For example, diesel electric, nuclear electric, and gasoline electric. Now let's move on to the hybrid structure. The two power sources found in hybrid vehicles may be combined in different ways, either in series or parallel. Either one will allow the gasoline engine to shut down when it's not needed. Parallel hybrid. Now let's look into the components that a parallel hybrid vehicle contains. The first one is gasoline motor and batteries which powers an electric motor. Both the gasoline motor and the batteries which powers the electric motor both can power the transmission at the same time, which helps in the propulsion of the vehicle. And it also contains electric motor that supplements the gasoline engine, which helps in the propulsion of a vehicle very effectively. And as you can see in the diagram, a typical parallel hybrid vehicle consists of 4-cylinder engine, electric motor, fuel tank, battery packets, and a transmitter. All these things helps in the movement of a vehicle very effectively. Series hybrid. Gasoline motor turns into a generator. Generator may either charge the batteries or power an electric motor that drives for the transmission. And at low speeds, it is powered by only by the electric motor. In a series hybrid vehicle, gasoline motor acts as a generator which is used to charge the batteries, and a electric motor helps in the propulsion of the vehicle. And as you can see in the diagram, a typical series hybrid vehicle possesses electric motor, battery packs, generator, 4-cylinder motor, 4-cylinder motor, fuel tank, and a transmission. And a major difference between the series hybrid vehicle and a parallel hybrid vehicle is that in a series hybrid vehicle, the IC engine is not directly linked to the wheels. As in parallel hybrid vehicle, the IC engine is directly coupled to the wheels of the vehicle. High voltage electrical systems. Power of electrical motor is supplied by high voltage nickel metal hydride battery. Batteries of all hybrids are produced by Panasonic EV Energy in Japan. Voltage ranges from 144 volts to 650 volts of DC current. In high voltage electrical systems, high voltage wiring may color coded orange, bright blue, or even yellow. Batteries vary in design, however, all incorporate individual cells connected to the one another. The silent hybrid. Most gasoline engines in hybrids will shut off when it's not needed, that is, when stopped in traffic. It also helps in the conservation of energy. Most hybrids have an indicator light which may alert the individuals regarding the status of the vehicle. These are eco-friendly in nature. Keyless ignition systems. Keyless ignition systems are considered as the heart of the hybrid vehicle. Convenience of push-button start systems that are designed to deter theft and break-ins. Utilize of key fobs which contain a chip with an ID code that the vehicle must recognize. The key fob must be kept inside the vehicle in order to start the car. If the key fob is kept outside the vehicle, the car wouldn't be started. This is how the keyless ignition system works. Advantages of hybrid vehicles. They are environmentally friendly. One of the biggest advantages of a hybrid car over a gasoline powered car is that it runs cleaner and has better gas mileage, which makes it environmentally friendly. A hybrid car runs with a twin powered engine with a gasoline engine and an electric motor that cuts fuel consumption and conserves energy. Financial benefits. Hybrid cars are supported by many credits and incentives that helps them to make them affordable. They are less dependent on fossil fuels. A hybrid car is much cleaner and requires less fuel to run, which makes fewer emissions and less dependence on fossil fuels. This in turn also helps them to reduce the price of gasoline engine in domestic market. Regenerative braking system. Each time when you apply the brake while driving a hybrid vehicle, it helps you to recharge your battery a little. An internal mechanism kicks in such a way that the energy released and utilizes the energy to charge the battery, which in turn eliminates the amount of time and needed for stopping to recharge the battery periodically. Built from light material. Hybrid vehicles are made up of lighter materials, which means less energy is used to run them. The engine is also smaller and lighter, which also saves much energy. Now let's look into the disadvantages of hybrid vehicles. Higher maintenance cost. Presence of dual engine and continuous improvement in technology make it difficult for mechanics to repair the car. And the cost of maintenance is also much higher. It is also difficult to find a mechanic with such expertise. Accident from high voltage in batteries. In the event of an accident, the high voltage present inside the batteries may be dangerous. Battery replacement is pricey. Battery replacement in hybrid vehicles is currently rare. However, if a battery needs to be replaced, it can get pricey. Less power. Hybrid cars have twin powered engines. The gasoline engine, which is the primary source of power, is much smaller as compared to what you get in a single engine powered cars. While the electric motor is of low power, the combined power of both is often less than that of the gas powered engine. It can also be expensive. Hybrid cars are comparatively more expensive than regular petrol cars. Poorer handling. A hybrid car houses a gasoline powered engine, a lighter electric engine, and a pack of powerful batteries. This adds weight and eats up extra place in the car. Extra weight results in the fuel inefficiency and manufacturers cut down weight, which has resulted in motor and battery downsizing and less support in the suspension and body. And the summary of this presentation is that due to the proliferation of hybrid vehicles on the road today, responders must be familiar with how these vehicles operate and how to handle an emergency which involves one of these vehicles. And additionally, responders must stay up to date with current vehicle technology as it is continuously changing.